Imagine. Imagine an appliance that will change hydronic heating forever. Imagine an appliance with features and benefits that no other boiler can match. At HTP, we have been imagining this product for some time, and we have been working hard to develop just such an appliance. In North America, mid-efficiency products such as cast iron and copper fin boilers have long been the industry standard. In 1999, HTP launched North America's first low-mass, high-efficiency boiler and began a revolution. Many contractors and homeowners were drawn to the promise of systems that provided maximum combustion efficiency in an era of ever-expanding fuel costs. Still, many contractors have been reluctant to fully embrace high-efficiency heating equipment due to complex piping and combustion setup coupled with annual maintenance and higher initial price point. The Pioneer is your answer. The Pioneer is the most innovative advancement in condensing boiler technology over the last decade. This heating appliance incorporates industry-leading combustion technology encased in a highly thermal efficient stainless steel tank with enough hydronic mass to stabilize even the most extensively zoned systems. The Pioneer is built around an industry-leading condensing heat exchanger that is designed to be both highly reliable and performance-based. This is an appliance that will be able to easily replace traditional cast iron and copper fin boilers without changing piping to complex primary-secondary configurations or adding new pumps to meet pressure drops of modern high-efficiency boilers. This is a product that will offer contractors the simple installation, controls, and maintenance features of cast iron products while providing homeowners with the latest high-efficiency boiler technology that qualify for federal tax credit and the highest level rebate offered by local gas utilities. Now let's take a look at how the Pioneer works. Pioneer condensing technology maximizes efficiency by measuring the needs of your heating system through the use of sensors and a control unit. The heater uses data gathered by these sensors to intelligently deliver highly efficient hydronic heating. The Pioneer's internal PI controller continuously monitors system conditions and modulates the combustion air fan speed to meet demand. Negative regulation technology induces just the right amount of gas through the valve to mix with the fresh air intake. This ensures the most efficient combustion across the burner. Backed by over 20 years of superior performance, HTP's proprietary heat exchanger receives flue gas from the combustion chamber up a 5-inch diameter cupronickel core to a header where it reverses direction and continues back down through multiple stainless steel and cupronickel spiraling tubes before exiting the unit. Installed in a 55-gallon stainless steel tank, the heat exchanger is constantly surrounded by enough water to avoid flashing, which is a common concern in low-mass technology. Exchanging sensible heat at the top of the heat exchanger with the hotter water in the upper half of the tank, the flue gas, decreasing in temperature, flows back down through the low-temperature inlet water, cooling below its dew point, taking advantage of latent heat. The combination of advanced modulating controls, high thermal mass, and a best-in-class heat exchanger, coupled with minimal service requirements and the lack of complex piping and venting requirements, make the Pioneer the perfect high-efficiency replacement for cast iron and copper fin products. Now let's take a look at the features and benefits of the Pioneer. The single-loop design. Differentiating itself from other modulating condensing products, the Pioneer, having thermal mass, does not require a primary-secondary piping design. With direct connection to the primary heating loop at a competitive price point, it is a real alternative to mid-efficiency cast iron and copper fin replacements. Turn-down ratio. The ability to modulate down enables the Pioneer to still perform at the highest system efficiency during low load conditions. Now you can lay out more zones for optimal comfort without increasing energy consumption through cycling. With 4 input sizes, this unit will handle all of your residential needs. PVC venting and air intake. The Pioneer, rated as a Category 4 sealed combustion appliance, is approved for the use of PVC as venting and air intake material. This inexpensive, readily available, and easy to install pipe keeps the installation cost to minimum. Energy efficiency. The Pioneer offers the lowest energy cost by far of any comparable product in its class. HTP's proprietary heat exchanger design. The major advantage of condensing technology is to extract more heat from the exhaust gas compared to conventional systems. The heat exchanger incorporates a larger surface area constructed of high-quality 9010 Cupronickel, which allows the unit to extract all of the latent energy from the water vapor contained within the exhaust gas. This reclamation of energy allows the appliance to use less energy to meet desired heating loads. Maintenance. From the down-fire characteristics of the heat exchanger, taking advantage of gravity to rapidly remove any acidic condensate from the inner walls, to the self-cleaning attributes of the 9010 Cupronickel through rapid thermal expansion and contraction, the Pioneer is truly built for low maintenance. All units ship with a factory-installed air separator. Serviceability. Externally located, the Pioneer's entire combustion and control system can be accessed by removing a small light cover. The control board is located at the top of the cabinet and can be easily removed by unclipping 2 harness connectors and 5 small easy access screws. While the gas valve, air venturi, burner assembly is detached by removing 6 easy access screws and one end of the flexible gas line to the valve. Pioneer controls and combustion system use many of the same parts already being utilized in other HTP boilers. This commonality allows our customers to be able to minimize replacement parts and unnecessary training for this appliance. Controls. The Pioneer uses HTP's reliable 926 board, which has a state-of-the-art PI controller. With standard features such as outdoor air reset and cascading capabilities, the Pioneer can achieve the same high system efficiency as leading low-mass condensing boilers.